Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Rivera here. I'm from the Philippines and today we're going to be reacting about the Forsaken song that is called True Patches of Violet. This is actually a LMS song between Hacklord 1x1x1 and Heartbroken Shredlets. So basically someone recommended me to watch this video, so let's go. This has been a violin though. Dang, this is pretty good though. There's like drums too. Dang. I hope there's someone singing there. This should be so good if there's someone singing here. I was freaking right. Dang. I didn't know that there was going to be a sing in this song because I never heard of this. I just got requested by this. Dang, that's really good though. So basically, this is just like a betrayed song for about one inch So yeah, it's probably a reference to the heartbroken skin of Shiletsky. I would love this song if it was the Betrayed 1X, not the Hacklord, because the Betrayed 1X is more like a perfect match for the heartbroken Shidletsky. Because, yeah, concept of the name, his name is Betrayed 1X, Betrayed. The Shidletsky is heartbroken, so basically they would have this illness, not the Hacklord, but I don't make the rules here. So this song is by Eden Essence, Visualizer by Coscolosian. Yeah, so that was it. So guys, I the comment of this music is that it is actually pretty good, but I wish it could be in a Betrayed 1X in a Heartbroken Shidletsky more, so that it will give that heartbroken concept. But yeah, I don't do the rules like I said. So that's it for today, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So goodbye.